Yo guys, welcome in a very quick update, second update today guys, because we have seen a bloodbath in Bitcoin and I want to just keep you guys updated with what I think is happening right now in the markets. If you like that, if you appreciate that, make sure to smash up the like button. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel. All very much appreciated. Guys, let's jump into Bitcoin. We have seen a bloodbath so far. Nothing unexpected though from the video we have been talking about earlier today. We came into the support zone, into the demand zone basically, and right now we are seeing a very small bounce in the price of Bitcoin. But does that mean that this was the bottom right now? No, actually definitely not yet. But however, we could be seeing a short-term bounce right here. A little bit some background information. Funding rates are still positive. Open interest is coming down, but didn't see that flush yet. We haven't seen that flush yet, which we actually normally want to see when Bitcoin could potentially form a bottom. That's not the case. Volume-wise, we are seeing increased amounts of volume, but nothing similar like we have seen in previous times when Bitcoin bottomed out. So it looks like, guys, that this for now is just a temporary low, which Bitcoin has been setting, where we could be seeing a bounce from. But yeah, still possible, of course, to set a lower, to visit lower levels. And I quickly want to go with you to the 60-day cycle of Bitcoin. I think this is actually quite interesting, very important. Okay, guys, for that I want to bring out the date range right here and show you a little bit what I mean. So we click right here from this bottom, for example, to the next bottom. We have a range of, this is 62 days, right? If we have a look from this bottom to the next bottom, that is a range of 63 days approximately, guys. Then we have a look from that bottom till the next bottom. That is a range of 73 days. So that is definitely slightly higher than what we have seen right here. If we then take from here, from the lows we have seen set right there, approximately 60 days, that would be at the start of February. But yeah, we of course that can extend a little bit, let's say to 64 days till the 7th of February. We've been talking about the first week of February. That's why I've put this blue line right here on the chart. That is a potential date, a potential period, if we have a look at certain time cycles right here in Bitcoin, where Bitcoin could see another low, like we have seen right here. If we even go back in time right here, so let's say we take right here, we go 60 days back, we see that around 56 days, so a little bit below this time, we have seen that low right there. If we from there would go 60 days back, you can see we are setting the low right here. So it looks like we have a certain cycle with Bitcoin, that around approximately every 2 months, Bitcoin is setting a low somewhere. That can be a low in an uptrend, right? But it can also be a low in a downtrend, like we have seen right here. That's why the first week of February is going to be such an important moment for Bitcoin, and also going to be the reason why I think we might not yet have seen the exact bottom, because also when we have a look at the volume, for example, volume is not so significant. If we have a look at this bottom, for example, we got a huge spike in volume. So yeah, that is something important to mention. Sentiment, I can see that over on social media is very negative, is very bearish. I think the majority right now is talking about a bear market, and however that is still possible. I think that can also be a sign right here that we are going towards the end of this correction, right? However, there is also a risk involved, of course, because it is always possible for Bitcoin to enter right here a multi-month downtrend. So guys, I don't think right now that is the case yet. However, if we were to lose some key levels and we are going to trade sustainably below some key levels right here, so it's not going to be a quick recovery kind of thing, but we are going to trade longer around these levels, then it's definitely increasing the likelihood for Bitcoin to be in a bear market. And the lower we go in a sustainable move, the more time it will take for Bitcoin to eventually recover. That is very important to also take in mind. However, guys, there is still a potential scenario right here where we are going to see that flush wipeout happening and then eventually see a quick recovery in the price of Bitcoin. Maybe not so quick that we are going to see new all-time highs in the next coming months, however, but it can be quick as what we have seen in March 2020, where we have a quick dip, huge liquidation cascade, open interest being flushed. That is actually a situation that we are right now waiting for such a flush in the open interest, which we haven't seen before. So guys, this is what I'm watching right now in the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is at a very key support level right here, and yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what Bitcoin is going to do. Can we hold this level? Can we see a nice bounce from here, or are we going to see something like this where we are forming a double bottom formation, also possible, or eventually are we going to lose that level, and are we going to see Bitcoin really going to meet the other levels that we have been talking about earlier in today's video? First level that I'm watching below 38k is going to be 35.7 approximately right here. The next level is going to be 32.5, and the next level of course is going to be $30,000, even below, like slightly below $30,000, 29.7 or something. So those are the levels that I'm watching below us. If Bitcoin wants to become bullish again, we really have to break the declining resistance right here in the price, and of course the declining resistance that we are seeing over on the relative strength index right here on the daily time frame, which has been created since October last year. So far we are just getting rejected from that level, from that resistance. So as long as we are trading below it, I would also assume that Bitcoin is still looking bearish. If we dive into the shorter term time frame, 1 hour time frame right here, you can see that we could be seeing a short term bounce right here. Levels to watch on the 1 hour time frame are going to be, of course, these Fibonacci levels. The first level is going to be right here at 39,550 approximately. 38.20% is at 40.3k. 50% is at 40.9k, roughly 41, and the most important level, 61.80% is at 41,500. Those are important levels to watch, because if Bitcoin were to get rejected at one of these levels, we could be coming down to test these lows again and even swipe the lows right here if we were to lose $38,000. Guys, that is what I'm watching right now on Bitcoin. That was it for today's second short update. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up, very much appreciated. If you're new here again, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. For all the traders out there, quick reminder, major bonus right now over on Bybit, 41, actually it's more than 41. They just launched a new bonus since today. Right now you can get over $4,400 bonus, and instead of a 10% discount on your fees, you will get a 30% discount on your fees if you sign up using my affiliate link down below this video. So for all the traders interested in that, this is by far right now the biggest bonus over on Bybit. You can find my affiliate link down below. Then for everybody, I want to wish you all a great day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.